Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pizza Hut potato salad. First, select about 4 small potatoes and boil them until they are just tender, not mushy. Once cooked, let them cool completely. Next, peel the cooled potatoes and carefully cut them into bite-sized cubes. It's important to chill these potato cubes in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and absorb the dressing better. Now let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Next, add 2 teaspoons of mustard sauce and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also include a pinch of salt to taste. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent, and creamy texture. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Gently add the chilled potato cubes into the bowl with your creamy dressing. Carefully fold the ingredients, ensuring every potato piece is evenly coated without mashing them. This gentle mixing preserves the potato's texture. Once combined, refrigerate the potato salad for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to fully meld and deepen, enhancing the overall taste. Your delicious Pizza Hut-style potato salad is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, always serve it chilled. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of finely chopped spring onion or fresh parsley for a touch of color and freshness. This creamy, flavorful potato salad makes a wonderful side dish for any meal, bringing that nostalgic taste right to your table. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.